There are lots of different types of oil, and even people who are pretty savvy about wood care can become confused about what to use and when. Wood loves oil to protect and nourish it, and we're going to explore 3 of Liberon's and give you some handy tips on what to use to get a beautiful effect and really nourish and protect the wood that you're working with. The first is Liberon Teak Oil. This is a blend of pure tung oil and linseed oil, and it's ideal for nourishing, protecting and enhancing the natural beauty of hard, exotic and oily woods such as teak, rosewood and iroko. It has added UV filters for protection against fading from sunlight exposure, so you can use it both internally and externally. It achieves the traditional cabinet maker's finish on hardwoods, and it produces a hard-wearing satin finish, and it's ideal for garden furniture. The next is Liberon Superior Danish Oil. It's ideal for things like doors, skirting boards, kitchen surfaces and wooden garden furniture. It provides a superior satin gloss sheen, whilst also feeding, protecting and adding long life to hard or soft woods. You can use it outdoors because added UV filters help protect against sunlight, and the resin content is high enough to protect against water, alcohol, heat and food acid. And finally, Liberon Pure Tung Oil. Brilliant for surfaces most often in contact with food, such as chopping boards, salad bowls and wooden kitchen work surfaces and utensils. It's a premium natural tung oil with no additives. It seals and preserves the wood. It's hard wearing with a long lasting matte finish, and you can even use it outside on oak to help prevent black spots. I've been using Liberon's products for over 10 years now. They are really high quality products that have always worked brilliantly for me.